What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to demonstrate factorials in .NET Core and Visual Studio 2022. So I have a console application open. Factorial is simply the product of positive integers up to and including any given integer. So we're going to, in this example, we're just going to calculate the factorials from 1 to 10. They do actually grow very large very quickly. So let's get going. We're going to have a method that will accept an integer as a parameter and return an integer. So that will be static int n. Our base case is going to be the factorial of 1. Factorial of 1 is equal to 1. So if n equals 1, return 1. And now our recursive case, we need to calculate the current value of n and multiply it by the preceding value of n. And we need to keep doing that until we get down to our base case. So basically the n times n minus 1. So we're going to call this method until we actually reach this base case again up here. So we're going to say return n times factorial n minus 1. And that should be all we need for our method. Now let's test it out. So we'll say 4 equals 1, I is less than or equal to 10. Console.writeLine, royal I. And there's our factorials from 1 to 10. The factorial of 1 is 1. Factorial of 2 is 2 times 1, which is 2. The factorial of 3 is 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6, and so on. So that is working just fine. You could actually rewrite this function. We could actually, I'm just going to comment that out and just create a ternary statement here. So we basically have it all on one line. We can say something like return. And if I want to, I can actually say n less than or equal to 1. That way, if I put in a 0 or something like that, I'm just going to give it a default value of 1. And then we have a question mark, so that's 1. And a colon, that would be like equivalent of our else statement, n times factorial n minus 1. And let's go ahead and fire that up again. And we get the same results. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe, and I will see you next time.